Hi guys, welcome back to Light of My Heart Soaps. Today we're going to make a sensitive skin baby soap. And it looks like this. I just unmolded it and cut it from the mold. I just unmolded it and cut it a day ago. So here it is. Stay tuned for the making of this. This soap is going to include some colloidal oatmeal, which I have here in a cup, and some bentonite clay, which I have dispersed in some water, and it's pretty thick, as you guys can see there. And here I have my oils already mixed out and melted. So this soap, I have a friend and she's wanted something for her little girl, so I told her I would make her soap like this. I also tend to use this soap. My nephew uses it a lot. He will be turning 3 soon. This is his soap as well, for that sensitive little baby skin. So we have our oils. First thing we're going to do, I'm going to add my oatmeal in here. Mix this up. Right. Next, I'm going to add my kaolin clay and my bentonite clay. I have mixed all up here. I'll stir it up here. Still pretty thick. Put a bit of water in there. This is going to add an amazing slip to the soap. Oh, and the colloidal oatmeal is great for sensitive skin. Mix this up. Now we're going to add our lye water mixture, which I have here. Stir there. Strain it through. A little bit of lint in there, lye lint. So, okay. There. Right. So bring it back out. Stir. Get rid of some of the air bubbles. Alrighty. Now that we have that all mixed up, I'm going to go and grab my mold and we're going to pour it in. I may add a little texture to the top once it firms up. But this is all, there will be no added colors and no added fragrance to this soap. So they can be as gentle as possible for that sensitive skin. Alrighty, I'm back with my new mold. So this is a brand new mold. This is my first time using it. I hope to review it soon. I brought it on Etsy. It's a giant slab mold, and I've made enough soap just to fill up this much here. So I'm going to go and fill that up. And eventually I will come back and review this soap mold as well. Alright, so we're going to start pouring our soap in here. fingertips here. Get a spatula. This clip as well. Let me grab a spatula. So I'm back with my spatula. So we're just gonna scrape the rest of the soap batter out of the bucket here. You can really smell the oatmeal right now. Enough that now I'm going to kind of texture it. This is actually the cutter for this mold, and I'm using it to hold it in place since I'm not using the full entire slab here. So just gotta be careful because I took off my gloves and just run the fork across it like so. Oatmeal is one of my favorite breakfast items, and you know, this just really is smelling like almost actually making me crave oatmeal right about now. There we go. Right. So I will be back to cut this soap in about 24 hours. In the meantime, I will actually be making another soap on the other side of this mold. So, oatmeal soap. This is a sensitive skin soap for babies. This is my first time using this mold here. It's I found it on Etsy. I'm going to use a little bit and see, maybe get some reviews on it later. But this is the soap. It has a really nice kind of oatmeal-y fragrance to it. So I'm just going to try and line this up here. See if it go all the way across. It does. Line it up here. So you should put your paper. Alright, so there's one bar. All the soap's cut up. So those going up here. Let's see. So here's soap. Got sensitive skin baby soap. And it's quite nice. It smells amazing. It has like a little oatmeal smell. It's a little sticky here on the cut edges. It looks quite nice, smells amazing. I'm going to set it on the curing racks to dry. Alright, so thank you guys for watching the making and cutting of my sensitive skin oatmeal baby soap. I hope you guys enjoyed it.